night, 4 in the day, I turn 7.
The rain is coming. There's bags. You can't see. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope everybody is doing amazing. Thanks so much for always coming to watch my videos. In case you want here wonder, it's my name. You may find you have been watching my videos, you have not subscribed my YouTube channel. The only way I can help me, the only way I can keep supporting me, just like, share and subscribe, be a part of our family. The place, it's quiet, the place is nice, the place is really amazing. Because the place is called Kachiru. It's a place where you find most of offices here in Rwanda. These big offices are located here. Apartments just here, over here. This is Kigali, but the cleanest, speechless. Look at this, everywhere. You can't see plastic bags, you can't see books, you can't see trash alongside the road. The place looks amazing. Rwanda Development, Transport Development Agents, their offices. I have to rush, it's about to rain. I'm telling you. Hey, it's about to rain. And there's nothing I can do. Oh, the rain is coming that side. At least I have to rush. I'm trying the rain to beat me. There's the big system. The rain is coming, it's too much. Oh, I have flash. No way you can hide around this place. No way. The rain is coming the other side. Kachiru Executive Apartments. People, they have money. And the rain to beat me. The rain is coming and it's too much. It's Golden Plaza. Look at the place. Just imagine walking around this place during sun season. Can't feel sunshine. Can't feel it. Fresh air. Rain is coming. No way. No way. I have to find where I can hide myself. Is this a palm tree? By the way, let me tell you, before 1994, things wasn't like this. All these things happened. All the things you are seeing happened after 1994. Hey. I wish all Africans can do the way Rwandans are doing their own things. I wish really much. Should stop somewhere. Look at this. I don't know if all these houses are apartments. I'm not sure. Okay. Move with you. It's a nice photo. Hey! You can walk, but I don't wish you move around this place when it's about to rain. No way you can hide. And the rain is coming and it's too much. Petrol station. Hey! I don't know how these people, they are doing their own things. All borders. Hey! They have helmets. They can't allow you to drive without a helmet. It's not allowed here. Maybe if they see you, I don't know what they will do, but what I know is not allowed. Look at this. Pavements, clean, trees everywhere, palm tree. This city will leave you being speechless. Hey. When I reach up there, I'll cross when I reach their side. Hey! New projects are coming up. I'm telling you. Look at this. The rain is coming. Gonna kill someone, I'm telling you. Let me close the road around here. University of Kigali. I think it's the main branch. You can see the students are just outside, as if they have not seen the rain is coming. See, cleaners. Every time, every minute, they have to sweep the roads. It's a must. ABC. Kigali Alliance Business Center. Supermarkets, furniture shops. Then front of me there is Kigali Convention Center.